In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your primary market in Shopify. This is really useful if your main customer base has shifted to a different country or region, or if you simply chose the wrong one when you first set up your store. Updating your primary market will help make sure your prices, currency, and storefront are aligned with where most of your customers actually are. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu with options like Home, Orders, Products, and so on. In that list, find the option labeled Markets and click on it. This will take you to the section where Shopify organizes your selling regions. At the top, you'll see your current primary market, which is the one you originally set when creating your store. Click on that primary market to open its settings. Inside the market editor, look at the first card or section at the top. Under that, you'll see a line that starts with the word includes, followed by the country or region that's currently set as part of this primary market. Next to the country or region name, there should be a small pencil icon. Go ahead and click that pencil icon. This opens a pop-up where you can edit which countries or regions are included. In this pop-up, use the search bar to find your current country or region. Once you locate it, deselect it so it's no longer included. Now, in that same search bar, type in the name of the country or region you want to use as your new primary market. When it appears in the list, select it. After you've removed the old one and added the new one, click Done at the bottom right of the pop-up to confirm your changes. Next, look for the card labeled Customized. In this section, find the drop-down next to Currency. Click that drop-down and choose the appropriate currency for your new country or region. Shopify will usually show a recommended currency at the top of the list based on the market you just selected, which makes this choice easier. Below that, you can decide whether you want your prices to be rounded and whether the exchange rate should be dynamic or set manually. Take a moment to choose what makes the most sense for your pricing strategy. When you're happy with these settings, click Done at the bottom right of the pop-up. Finally, don't forget to save everything. At the top of the page, near the search bar, click the Save button. Once it saves, your new primary market and its currency settings are officially updated.